Today we'll talk about how can you enable Redfin updates notifications on your Redfin app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down here, click on my Redfin, just down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click on settings here, just click on it here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click on app notifications, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to Redfin updates, click in this sign here. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean here Redfin updates notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.